Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you one such tool that helpful for your complete research work, I can say. So complete research work in the sense starting from into literature survey, or is the reference or citations, or is the rewriting, or is the editing of the paragraph, whatever you can say. So this tool is does everything starting from introduction to your literature survey to the citations, like including the reference. So that does everything. So this tool, I can say that the one tool that does everything for the research work. Okay, so before starting with the tutorial on this AI tool, I request whoever is watching this video to please subscribe this channel. So your individual subscription gives great motivation and support to build this channel. Okay, I hope you have subscribed to this channel. Thank you for your subscription. Let's get started with the video. Okay, first when you go to Google, you have to type SCI space. Okay, you have to type SCI space. So in this video I am going to explain about this AI tool, that is SCI space. So you can see here SCI space, so you just have to click on that. So when you click it on, you will get this window. Okay, so after that you can see here is SCI space is an incredible tool to help you understand research paper better. It can explain and elaborate most academic text in simple words. So I can say this is the one tool, or else with the help of this tool you can do, or else you can get lot of work done, get it done the work easily within like 5-10 minutes. You can go with a lot of paper as well as citation, especially the reference. It is going to take lot of time, right? So this tool, with the help of this tool, you can do it within like seconds. You can complete the reference or is the citation. Okay, let's get start with the tool. So when you get this window, you just open SCI space, the AI or academic research. You click it on that. Okay, when you click it on that, it will ask you for the sign in. Yeah, because I have already signed in, so this I'm getting this window directly. But when you are using for the first time, you have to sign in with your email ID. No need to pay anything. It's a free basic version is available. If you want to go with the upgraded version, you have to pay like monthly, or else the yearly charges will be there. But what I suggest is that first you go with the basic version. If you feel that is enough for your work, then no need to go with that. Otherwise you can go with the next version. Okay, so when you get this window, as you can see here the left side, you will get the some of the tools. So like there are different types of tools are available depending upon what exactly you are looking for different kind of operation or is the process. So as you can see here the first tool, you can see here you can chat with the PDF. So that means if you want to chart or as like interactive more, like interactive with the PDF file whatever you have uploaded, so you can do the interaction with the AI. So in this you have to upload the PDF file. So the AI is going to read the complete PDF, and whatever the question you are going to ask it with respect to this PDF file, so that is answerable from the AI. That is the first tool. Next one is literature review with respect to the literature or is downloading the paper whatever. So that is the tool. Then AI writer, in this you can give some particular like any kind of topic as a keyword you have to give. So for that it will be writing the content. The AI will be writing the content. And here you can see that find topics. For example, your you are in a idea or as the problem idea that to particularly on particular area, like but you are not getting how to define your problem, or else where exactly you are not going to get, like the area is completely broad and you are in a confusion that what topic I need to choose. So in that this tool is going to help you out for finding your topics from the broad area to like to make it narrow. Next is that paraphraser. So has like a paraphrasing tool, it works. So for example, if you want to edit the paragraph or else the rewrite the paragraph, this is the one tool that can help you out for the paraphrasing. Then here you can see that the next is citation generator. Here for example, you have copied some paragraph or else the content you have taken from some other paper or else the journal or else the article. You just have to copy paste that paragraph. Immediately it is going to read the paragraph and it will be giving you the citation, means which paper that content is from, and who is the author, when it is published, and which article it is published, what is the page number, including everything it is going to give it in the citation generator. Then comes to extract data. So for example, if you want to extract data from particular topic, for example say composite material itself, if I say, so if you want to get the extract the data from that particular topic, you can get the data also. Then next comes to the AI detector. For example, it works as a plagiarism detector also, I can say that. For example, if you have copied any content from anybody's paper, so and if we have rewritten that, although if it is there is any plagiarism content or as the AI detected content is there, in the sense this tool helpful for to find out the anything that you have copied from the AI tool or else directly from the like other papers, that also it will show. And last one is that PDF to video. In this tool you can convert whatever the PDF file is there has to directly into video as well as to PPT. So these are the features of this AI tool. That means you can see here, so everything you can do it in one tool, including the literature review, extracting the data, AI detection, AI writer, find topics, PDF to video. See, the best one I can see here, citation generator, because for the getting the citation, in the sense quoting the reference, it is very time consuming, and typing paper, page number, volume, journal publication, author, obviously it is going to take lot of time. But in this tool, if you just copy paste the paragraph, you are going to get within the second where you are copied, or else from where which journal publication you got this content, so that you are going to get it within second. So let's get started with the like first one by one. So first I'll select with chart with PDF. So here you can see that when you click it on chat with PDF, it will ask you for the upload PDF, correct? So here I'm going to upload one sample PDF. When I'm selecting going out of the window, it may, while recording, it may not you show you the options here, but here I'm selecting one PDF file, one of my publication itself. So when I try to upload, it will ask you for like select a collection, notebooks, or as the notebook you can choose any one, notebooks only I'll select. Then you click it on upload. It will take some time to upload the file. So here you can see that the file is getting uploaded. Not much time, like hardly like 50 to 60 seconds it is going to take for the uploading. So once after the file upload, as you can see here, the complete PDF has been uploaded. So and the right side, you can see here there is a chat button. So here you can see that, say sample questions also, or as the keyword also, it is giving like practical implications, literature survey, data set, methods used, summarize, limitations, paper summary. So like this you can ask the questions. So for example, here you can see that ask any question. So whatever the data you have uploaded, based on this data, it will read the content, and whatever the question you are going to ask it, it is going to answer you the question. So here you can see that ask any question. For example, here I'll ask uh, summary of the paper and press enter. Okay, I have asked for summary of the final summary of the paper. So here it is going through the literature and searching for the citations. So it is going through my question and it is analyzing, and it is going to give you the output. Okay, hardly it will take like 1 minute to give you the summary of the paper. Okay, see here you can see that generating response in like it started from 30 seconds and it is like now 13. Yeah, here you can see that. So the it has given the complete summary of the paper. So like this it will give you, for example, if I ask what are all the tests conducted. Okay, I'm asking what are all the tests conducted, test or characterization, whatever. So it is going to read the paper and then analyzing, and it is going to give the answer like within 20 to 30 seconds. As you can see here, it is generating response in 20 seconds. So here you can see that I have asked for two, what are all the tests conducted, right? Here you can see that tests conducted in this study are like mechanical property tests, tensile, compression, hardness, wear analysis, micros. So whatever the question you have asked, it will go through that question and it is going to give you the complete answer by reading this data whatever you have uploaded. So this is the feature of your first tool, that is chat with PDF. So in this you have to upload the PDF file and it is going to read it, and whatever the question you want to ask with respect to the file you have uploaded, that you are going to get the answer within like 30 seconds. Okay, next we'll go with the literature review, the next tool, that is next option, literature review. Okay, when you click it on literature review, enter your search query. For example, anything, for example, you are interested in some particular area and you want to narrow down the problem, correct? You are not yet arrived at the problem definition, I can say that. So you are in confusion state that which exactly the topic to choose for your PhD work or else your project report writing, whatever you can say. So for example, I'm going to ask with respect to like natural fiber. For example, which natural fiber is having high mechanical properties? So this is the question I'm asking. Okay, and you just click on the arrow button here. Okay, it is processing. So my question is, which natural fiber is having high mechanical properties? And it will ask you, could you please clarify or narrow down your research query regarding natural fiber with high mechanical properties? For example, specifically, which fiber type you are asking? Are you interested in exploring specific types of natural fiber or applications and uses, comparative analysis, or geographical relevance? So like that, please choose one more options or share additional details. So for example, if I say specific fiber type, I'll give you specific, I'll give specific fiber type, then press enter. Okay, it is processing, as you can see here. Okay, it has asked me to narrow down the search. Okay, that's why I have given specific fiber type. So you can go with the, when you are asking question itself, if you are clearly mentioned, then you will get the answer in one step itself. My question wasn't like broad, like which natural fiber is having high mechanical property. So that's why it has like asked many questions to narrow down the query. Okay, here you can see that I'm getting the literature review papers with respect to my question. So, and it has given the answer also here. Still it is processing. Natural fibers with high mechanical properties are specifically hemp, flax, jute, and comparative analysis of mechanical properties of hemp, flax, jute and other natural fibers in engineering applications. Then comparative mechanical properties and treatments effective from diverse natural fiber in polymer composites for engineering applications. So like that it is going to give you the answer, as well as one more important thing, it is going to give you the sum of the papers also. As you can see here, some of the reference papers also it will give you. You can just click it on, it will be going out of the source, and you can read the content here also. As you can see here, whatever the paper link I have clicked it on, it will give you the complete PDF file, and what is that paper about, that also is going to give. So this is the feature of your this next second option, that is literature review. So here you can see that still it is creating deep reviews of report. So based on my question, it is going to give you the report also. So because here you can see that so here you can see that, so getting the paper, sometimes relevant papers, it is like hell job, correct? So here you can see that 324 top papers found. So aram say in one click itself you can get lot of paper, like 324 paper, that all are in PDF. You can see that, no need to go with the links. Here you can see that, hope you can see. So this is the PDF file, right? So like that in one click itself you are going to get like 300 to 400 papers. So this is the one thing, and it is creating deep review report, drafting introduction section. This may take up to 5 minutes to complete. So in this you are going to get the review report. Okay, it is almost done, like 70 to 80% done. Let's see how the report will be. Okay, but actually it is good. See here you can see that 239 top papers found out of 1050. See, it is like give the count also, like how many papers are there with respect to this area, and out of that how many papers this AI tool can detect. So 239 top papers found out of 1050, and all are in PDF. Within one click you can download the complete paper. You just imagine, sometimes it is like with the help of, like, you may not be having access to some like IEEE elsewhere, or as the Springer, Taylor and Francis, like that. So here at one click you can get a complete paper. Okay, that is the major like feature, or is the benefit of this literature review option. Okay, it is almost done. That is, this may take up to 5 minutes to complete. Okay, it is taking. Otherwise I'll leave about this. When you are working on it, you just make a try to get the review report. Okay, let us move on to the next option, that is AI writer. So I'm clicking on AI writer. So as you can see here, write research paper with confidence, start writing. So for example, here the option is there, start writing. You can click it on start writing option. You will get one blank page. Okay, you will get one blank page. So here, so for example, here you can go with the copy paste option also. For example, whatever. So if I type it like this, I'll get. So you can type. Otherwise, you can go with the start with writing with AI. So example, write introduction on fiber reinforced composites. Okay, this is the topic I'm giving to AI to generate the content. So here you can see that it has given, so it is giving you the content. Continue. So here it will give you the outline first, and when you click it on the plus symbol over here, you can see that definition it is giving. And when you click it on plus symbol here, here you can see that continue writing with citation. So if I click it on that, AI will start writing the content with respect to whatever the topic I have given. And here you can see that one more, here it has given the reference also. So here you can see that it has given the reference. Okay, so you can go with that. When you move the cursor, you can go with that particular paper also. So that is the, and here you can see that if you want to edit this, you can edit this. If you want to paragraph, you can do that. So whatever you want to do, that also you can do that. So just click plus symbol, then continue writing with AI with citation, in the sense it will start writing and it will give you the reference also. Reference there from which paper it has got the content. So that is the paper. This is the paper that with the help of that reference it has written. So this is the one thing. Okay, next we'll move on to the find topics. The next option, that is find topics. So here you can get the topics. For example, I'll say composite. In general, I'm giving composite. Otherwise, I'll give natural fiber composites. Natural fiber composites. Just click enter. So the topic I have given natural fiber composites. So in this, it is going to finding the relevant papers. So as you can see here, it is it has got the relevant papers and resources. As you can see here, whatever the paper title, as well as it is giving you the reference also. So like that, it has got so many papers. So, and finally it is giving you the answer from 5 topics. Here you can see that whatever the question I have asked, so based on that it has given the answer. It's good, right? So with one click you are getting everything. Okay, the next one is like paraphraser. So this, like for example, if I want to paraphrase anything, I'm just copying and pasting one thing. So here you can say that write your, we'll go with paraphraser. Right here, so just copy paste whatever you want to paraphrase. Then if you click on paraphrase, it will give you the edited version of this paragraph. Later on you can edit according to your requirement. So here you can see that in the era of the 4th industrial revolution, you can see that in the context of the 4th, so like upgraded version, updated version, you can say, or as paraphrased version it is giving you. So within like 5 minutes it is going to give you, with not even 5 minutes, within second it is going to give you the updated version of this paragraph. So that is paraphrase. Next one is citation generator. The next option is citation generator. So for example, if it will give you, so if you are having any like title, so for example, let's say I'll go with any one, effect of biodiversity. So as you can see here, it is giving journal article title, date of published, who are the authors, what is the volume, what is the issue, page number, URL, DOI, publisher name, everything is giving. And here you can see that one major important thing, it is giving you the main citation. That is, just you have to just copy and paste. You can download also. Here you can see the option download. Just you have to copy and paste wherever you want. So imagine if you want to type, or else if you want to collect this data, minimum half an hour to 1 hour it is required. I know how difficult it is to go with the citation, to quote the references. Here within one click you are getting everything. As you can see here, you can download, or else you can just copy paste the text. That is the major benefit of this citation generator. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you are having any doubt, please comment. I'll create one more video on this so that I can clear your doubt. If you are having any doubt with respect to any option, please comment on this video and I'm going to give you the answer in the next video. Okay, next one is, next option, extract data. So as you can see here, if you want to extract data from any of the research paper, you have to upload the file. So here I'm uploading one more file and it is get uploaded. It works as similar to your the first one, like chat with okay, for to extract data from, oh, it is going with the advanced version, so I'm not going with this. Next I'll go with AI detector. Next option is AI detector. So for example, I'm going to paste the paragraph here. I have pasted one paragraph. So then I'll ask the AI tool to analyze where are the, is there any presence of AI content. So here you can see that the yellow and orange color is saying that AI detection report, like 1% of content is generated from this AI. So in this paragraph you can work on it and you can do the edit and you can make it to 0. Okay, so like that, AI detector option is to detect the AI content in the manuscript. Okay, next one is PDF to video generator. So here you have to upload the PDF. Okay, I'm uploading one paper. So I'm uploading one paper and it is going to take some time, or else the few seconds to analyze the paper. Then it is going to create the video as well as it is going to create the PPT out of the PDF I have uploaded. So as you can see here, this is the paper I have uploaded and it has generated the video as well as it has generated the PPT. So if I play this video, as you can see here,
Welcome to our
here you
presentation.
can see that
Today,
it has
we are
created
thrilled to
the
share our
video.
research
Can
on
you able
enhancing
to
the strength of
hear the
aluminum
video
materials
content?
for
Yes.
automotive and
Okay. Next is that if I click on the slides, you can see here it has created PPT from the PDF that I have uploaded. So like this, you can get video as well as you can get the PPT also. So in this AI tool, SAI Space, with a one tool you can do lot of work, like you can get lot of output, chat with PDF, literature, AI writer, find topics, paraphraser, citation generator, AI detector, PDF to video. So where you will find this option, and that too in basic version itself you are getting everything. You just imagine, to get this done manually it will take like days, months to get the work done, right? But with the help of this AI tool, within like half an hour you can do many function, you can perform many tasks and you can reduce lot of your burden as well as lot of time. So what I suggest is that if you are a researcher, if you are a faculty or a teacher, even if you are a student also, make use of this tool and get benefited from this. And at last, what I want to say is that thank you for your patient listening. And whatever, if you are having any query with respect to any kind of research, please comment on this video. I'll look into the comment and in my next video I'll try to incorporate that. And please, at last, I'm requesting you to don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have not subscribed it, please, my request is to subscribe this channel. Your each subscription gives lot of motivation and lot of support to grow this channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for your patient listening. I hope this video was helpful and definitely you're going to get benefited from this video, and share among your friends or else students or else your colleagues so that they can also get benefited and I can also get benefited. So thank you so much, dear friends, faculties, as the researchers. Thank you for your patient listening. Okay, let's meet in another video. If you're having any query, please do comment on this video. I'm going to go through this comment. Thank you so much.